dear friends. Welcome to a personalized episode of Enlight Me. Today, we will explore the importance of explainable AI, how companies can build long-term competitive advantages, and the transformative shift in the software industry due to AI advancements. Stay tuned for insights that matter. What exactly makes AI explainable, and why is this concept becoming increasingly crucial in our tech-driven world? This question sits at the heart of today's discussion, where we delve into the intriguing domain of explainable AI, XAI, its significance, operational mechanisms, and the benefits it offers across various sectors. At its core, explainable AI encompasses processes and methods that enable humans to understand and trust the outcomes produced by machine learning algorithms. The advent of AI has significantly transformed how decisions are made, from healthcare diagnostics to financial services. However, as AI systems become more complex, understanding the rationale behind their decisions, the how and why, has emerged as a pivotal concern. This opacity of AI's decision-making process, often referred to as the black box dilemma, is where explainable AI steps in, shining a light on the inner workings of these advanced systems. One might wonder, why is explainability so vital? To start, it fosters trust and confidence among users and stakeholders in AI-driven environments. Imagine a scenario in healthcare where a deep learning model predicts a patient's susceptibility to a particular disease. Clinicians and patients alike would understandably want to know on what basis the AI system arrived at its conclusions. Here, XAI can demystify the AI's decision-making process, ensuring that its recommendations are reliable and trustworthy. Moreover, explainable AI is not just about building trust. It's also about accountability and fairness, ensuring that AI systems do not inadvertently perpetuate biases or make unjustifiable decisions. This aspect of XAI is particularly crucial in sectors like criminal justice and financial services, where the implications of biased AI decisions can have profound impacts on individuals' lives. But how does explainable AI work? Techniques such as local interpretable model agnostic explanations, LIME, and deep learning. Important features, deep lift, are among the tools at the disposal of data scientists to enhance the transparency of AI models. LIME, for instance, helps in breaking down the prediction of a classifier in a way that's understandable to humans, providing insights into why the AI system made a specific decision. Similarly, Deep Lift reveals how each neuron's activation contributes to the final decision, offering a traceable path through the AI's thought process. The distinction between AI and XAI is akin to the difference between solving a math problem and showing one's work. While both might arrive at the correct answer, the latter provides a clear, step-by-step understanding of how the conclusion was reached. This transparency is not just for the benefit of those directly interacting with AI systems, but also for regulatory compliance and ethical considerations, ensuring that AI applications are responsible and justifiable. In real-world applications, the benefits of explainable AI are vast and varied. In healthcare, it enhances diagnostic accuracy and patient trust in AI-driven treatment recommendations. In the financial sector, it brings transparency to credit scoring and loan approval processes, helping to eliminate biases and ensure fairness. And in criminal justice, it aids in making risk assessments more accountable, reducing the chance of wrongful predictions. As we move forward, the integration of explainable AI into various sectors will undoubtedly increase, driven by the growing demand for transparency, fairness, and accountability in AI applications. The journey towards fully explainable AI is complex and challenging, but it is a necessary step in the evolution of AI, ensuring that these powerful tools serve humanity in an ethical and responsible manner. In conclusion, as AI continues to permeate every facet of our lives, the importance of explainability cannot be overstated. By demystifying the decision-making processes of AI systems, explainable AI not only builds trust and confidence, but also ensures that the deployment of AI technologies is responsible, fair, and aligned with societal values. As we embrace this next wave of technological advancement, the principles of explainable AI will play a crucial role in shaping a future where AI and humans collaborate effectively, ethically, and transparently. Now, let's move on to discuss how developing capabilities for a moat trajectory can secure a company's long-term competitive advantage. What differentiates a successful business from its competitors, and how can a company secure its place in the market for the long term? This is the pivotal question we will explore today, diving into the concept of moats in the venture circle and understanding their significance in building a sustainable, value-driven company. The term moat is often thrown around in business discussions, yet its meaning is frequently misunderstood. In essence, a moat refers to a company's proven, perpetuating, and permanent economic advantages over its competitors. These advantages are quantifiable and are expected to either remain stable or grow stronger over time, ensuring the company's long-lasting value and success. However, it's crucial to note that these economic advantages, or moats, are not inherent to a company from day one. Early-stage investors, rather than evaluating a company's current moat, focus on its potential or path to develop a moat trajectory. This trajectory is essentially the roadmap a company follows to build its competitive advantages or capabilities. Capabilities are the intangible assets a business develops to operate more effectively and earn returns above others in the market. They are the engines of your competitive advantage, determining the persistence and scope of your moat. Despite not appearing on a balance sheet, these capabilities are arguably the most valuable asset of a company. Drawing from Bruce Greenwald's Competition Demystified, we understand that competitive advantages fall into two categories: customer captivity and resource captivity, both of which are strengthened by scale. Expanding on this, we recognize the importance of network effects and organizational design in establishing captivity. These elements combined provide a simplified but exhaustive list of capabilities critical for a company's success. Scale capabilities enhance a company's ability to acquire and retain customers, customer captivity, or produce its product, resource captivity, more efficiently and at a lower cost. For instance, Bank of America benefits from demand-side economies of scale, making it cheaper and easier to acquire customers. Similarly, General Mills enjoys supply-side economies, reducing production costs through higher asset utilization and lower cost of capital. Network effects, unlike scale, tend to yield exponential returns. These effects take various forms and are crucial in startup circles. For example, Facebook and eBay have thrived due to user and customer network effects, respectively, where the value of their service increases with each new user. Organizational design also plays a pivotal role in a company's competitive strategy. In the digital age, venture capital has enabled companies to adopt fundamentally different business models, focusing on long-term strategic advantages rather than immediate profit. This approach has led to winner-take-all dynamics, with organization design capabilities divided into those related to customer captivity and resource captivity. For businesses aiming to establish a competitive edge, identifying and focusing on building the right capabilities is crucial. Whether it's achieving localized economies of scale, becoming the go-to platform for third-party developers, or locking in customer data, knowing your North Star and aligning your company's efforts towards it is essential. In conclusion, understanding and developing capabilities that lead to a moat trajectory is foundational to a company's long-term competitive advantage. As we've explored, these capabilities range from scale and network effects to organizational design. companies like Amazon exemplify the power of leveraging multiple capabilities effectively. For any business looking to secure its market position and build lasting value, focusing on these critical areas is not just beneficial, but necessary. Now let's move on to how AI is transforming the software industry and the strategic importance of platforms in this new landscape. Welcome to today's episode where we delve into a burning question that's been on the minds of many within the tech sector. As AI rapidly advances, is it signaling an extinction-level event for existing software companies? This topic, which is both fascinating and somewhat alarming, highlights the transformative power of AI in the software industry and how it's reshaping the landscape for both newcomers and legacy platforms. The integration of AI into software development isn't just enhancing the capabilities of applications. It's drastically reducing the costs of production. This seismic shift is posing a significant threat to traditional software platforms that fail to harness the power of AI. The once formidable moats protecting these legacy platforms are quickly evaporating, leaving them vulnerable to obliteration by agile newcomers. These new entrants, armed with AI, are capable of launching products that rival or even surpass those of established companies in a fraction of the time and with significantly smaller engineering teams. The narrative of companies that have taken years and millions of dollars to build being dismantled so rapidly is a testament to the disruptive force of AI. However, the story doesn't end with the demise of legacy software companies. The intense competition fostered by the lowering barriers to software production is leading to a crash in software product prices. Consider the functionalities of modern platforms like Dropbox, Airtable, or Figma, and imagine their worth 2 decades ago compared to the value of basic word processing software at the time. This plummeting cost, while beneficial for consumers, spells trouble for software product companies, making the market less lucrative due to heightened competition. In navigating these turbulent waters, the emphasis shifts from developing mere products to building platforms. But what exactly sets a platform apart in this context? It's a system that thrives on the proprietary data, distribution, and development, collectively referred to as the 3Ds. These platforms grow stronger with each interaction, leveraging data network effects, customer network effects, and the attraction of third-party developers to create a self-sustaining ecosystem. This model has historically proven to be far more valuable than that of standalone product companies, offering significant advantages in cost, performance, and profitability. Yet, in the age of AI, the focus on platforms takes on a new dimension. While AI is rapidly commoditizing technical products, it hasn't quite penetrated the networks that platforms establish. These networks, whether based on data, distribution, or development, remain the last line of defense against the commoditization wave. It's these networks that create and maintain value, making them critical for software companies to protect and nurture. The story gets even more intriguing when we consider the untapped potential within specific verticals like insurance, supply chain, commerce enablement, and energy. These sectors, still in the early stages of digital transformation, offer fertile ground for platforms to establish dominant positions. By leveraging AI, companies within these verticals can accelerate their capture of the market, building their customer and partner networks at unprecedented speeds. As we explore the impact of AI on the software industry, it's clear that the narrative is not solely about technological advancement, but also about strategic adaptation. The transition from product-centric models to platform-based approaches represents a critical pivot for companies aiming to thrive in this new era. For investors and entrepreneurs alike, the AI-driven platform expansion within key markets represents not just a challenge, but a monumental opportunity. So, as we ponder the future of software companies in the age of AI, let's remember, in a world where products are increasingly commoditized, The real value lies in building and nurturing networks. It's those networks that will define the winners and losers in the ongoing technological evolution. In the age of AI, the mantra is clear: build platforms, not just products. Thanks for tuning in to today's episode of Innovation Pulse. If you enjoyed our insights and are eager to learn more, the Enlight Me app is just a tap away. Expand your knowledge with personalized content on over 20 diverse topics, from crypto to health and beyond, all curated to fit your interests. Download the Enlight Me app now at the Apple Store or Google Play, or visit the enlightme.ai website. Stay curious, stay enlightened.